Denver, Colorado, Rocky Mountain Dental Convention.
RMDC!
We're in Denver for the Rocky Mountain Dental Convention. I am here at the RMDC Day 2, all having a really good time. It's been really nice so far.
Today we're at RMDC and it's going so great. There's so many people here.
It's been absolutely amazing. We had lines out the door.
So far it's been amazing. Classrooms are full. Probably one of our best conventions we've had the last 10 years.
RMDC is really good about putting integrative health up at the forefront. RMDC is different because the Integrative Healthcare Summit, we're talking about the oral systemic connection.
We learn in dental school that the mouth is attached to the body, and it's time for us to start acting that way. There's going to be a shift in our practices from the management of surgical-based dental treatment to the management of chronic diseases. There's so much research that our place in the delivery of healthcare is so important in the overall wellness of our patients.
There are so many opportunities to educate yourself, to connect with others.
RMDC is worth coming to every year. There's always something new that's happening. There's puppies, we love it. It's so exciting.
If you missed RMDC this year, we'll see you next year. You can't miss it.
If you weren't here this year, we'll see you next year. You can't miss RMDC.
If you didn't make it this year, we'll see you next year at RMDC 2027.